feel like this is real hard. I feel like I'm looking like a member from El DeBarge. Hey y'all, this is Robin with two B's, like robbing a bank. Don't mind the background of my house. It's messy. Maybe I'll clip it. It's about that time again. My hair's a little crusty. I smell a little musty and I'm looking a bit dusty. So it's time to do my hair. So I'm gonna take my braids out off camera. If you want to see me taking my braids down, just click on this video right here. I'm taking them down and washing my hair, and then they're getting put back in. But you know what? It's a little funny. So if you want to watch that, click on the link, click on this little information, and it'll lead you to that. But I'm not gonna take it off. Take this hair down off camera because you know the deal. I got a lot of corn frosted flakes in my hair. It's super duper itchy and it's muggy as hell, so it's even worse today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt. I'm not a professional. But I follow like a trillion, billion, million people on YouTube. So I really love Deeper Than Hair. She's like a really good, like she's a hairstylist, she's a YouTuber. And she did this braid that looks so easy. Hopefully it looks good. But I'ma try my very best. Who knows? But I'ma try. Basically it's an ankle length braid. So I went to the beauty supply store and I bought this expression, or no, a more extra long braiding hair. Some Shine and Jam. I already have a big one, but I don't want to run out. I'm excited, yes. I'm gonna make me some food, and then I'm probably gonna watch the Versus tonight. Jadakiss and Fabulous. I'm gonna put it on my TV. My house is messy, I know. I took my hair down, and y'all, I'm wearing I don't drink water, I drink pop wig. I'm about to go to lunch with my mom. I'm not about to be looking busted in these streets. Bam! But I look good with a short do. Like, I think I got a pretty good head. My AC is on. Supposedly my hair flat ironed. Y'all, like, I'm like struggling. This don't look flat to me, but we gonna keep going. Fried calamari sounds so good right now. Get that bread, get that head, then leave. Her hair is so long in the video. I look like Don King. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Pray for me, y'all. Oh no. Oh no. What? This ain't food. What you trying to eat, the gel? Hit that like button. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button. Ooh, my boobs look so huge. Y'all, I don't know if I did this right. I don't know. I feel like this is real hard. I feel like I'm looking like a member from El DeBarge. Y'all see that? Y'all, oh no. This hair. Here we go, y'all. I'm doing exactly what she's doing. No, see, my hair is sticking up already. I should have swept my flows.
Braided hair can get real gangster when the purpose of doing this is so that wrap it on around. And guys, if you have the wrong hairpin in your head, child, it will ruin your whole day. Like I
sure will. I really think I should add a little bit of gel. Y'all see this? This don't look like the video. I got that down south kinky slave hair. Like, I really like the fact that I could just pull and tug and this will not come off. Like, I can't be walking around looking a hot ass mess. I'm too pretty for this. PSA. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wake up early, like at 12 o'clock, noon, and go to the beauty supply and get me some hair. And I'm gonna do my hair, okay? And I'm gonna look good. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna look good. I got to. This ain't working. I saw this video on TikTok, and it gave me a little bit of inspiration. So maybe I'll try that next.
Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
The sun is coming up. It's 5 something in the morning, and I'm determined to look beautiful by the end of today, okay? By the end of the day. So what I did was, I think I told y'all that I was looking at this TikTok video of this girl doing these faux locks. Yeah, but right now I stink. I smell like corn chips. Not the off-brand, but the Fritos original flavor. Not the barbecue or the spicy, not the chili cheese. I smell like the original flavor Frito corn chips. You know what's so funny? Like, when it's like this early in the morning, or I've been up super late, things start to look a little funny to me. Like just now, I thought I saw some eyes looking at me, but it ain't no eyes looking at me. Look, I'm gonna be fly. I don't think I'm gonna do the process on camera, because after this, hopefully it'll be the completed look. I will see you guys later on today, and I'm gonna be looking fine. Finer than wine. So, this is the finished look for my hair. I did it myself, and I followed that thing I saw on TikTok. I ran out of hair, and this is in the middle. If I lift it up, you can see this. I still have this from the front. The front I did individuals, and then the middle I did crochet. Because I was just gonna crochet, and I attached some of them on one half, but the other half I ran out. So, but this looks cute. I like this. But I might just buy one more pack because it's literally a pack. So I'll just buy a pack of hair and just attach them to this. But if I turn it around, it just looks like it has volume. If you look at it from the back. But yeah, so this is the finished look. This is Robin with 2 B's, like Robin in the Bank. Hey y'all, this is Editing Robin coming at you. I actually did my entire head. I realized I didn't like how it was laying in the back with the crochet. So I basically did the same thing I did to the front, all in my head. So here's the back. I made the parts bigger because I didn't want to have to take another 4 hours doing it. It only took me an hour and a half to finish up the rest, and I really like this hair. I'm very happy with it. I just need to keep greasing my scalp because my scalp looks super duper dry. So yeah, yes you guys, thank y'all for sticking around this far. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. My subscribers are slowly growing. This video took me forever just to make it because I didn't have enough storage on my computer, so I had to buy an external hard drive. There's so much stuff that goes into making YouTube, but I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to be learning. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made it this far in the video, please comment something, or please let me know that you did, so I know that you made it all the way at the end. And yeah, so this is my hair for now. And I did it all by myself. I'm so proud of me. Yeah, y'all. Have a good day. You wanna give me money? I can be your baby buddy. Never mind. I don't need an independent. I can see it. Hey, hey, hey.